Follow Ambitech GH now. Now, have you ever wondered why your blenders will not be blending well, or maybe you'll be having some black stuffs around the base of the cap inside here? Come on, let me show you why. So here is our base or glass blender. This is a H&Q, a oldie modern type. But here is the main fault that makes the blender not to blend. So on the cap, we have the glass, then we have the blade. Under the blade, we have this connector which is to the motor called a knob. So this knob, when it decays or when it fades, you will see that it will not have a better connection on the motor. Okay, so there will be a situation whereby it will be blending and then it will be just rotating over the knob. Okay, so right now what you do is you look whether your knob hasn't failed or it hasn't rusted. Okay, you have some that is metal and you have also this as plastic. So what you do is you move this knob the same way I did move it, and then you get a new one. Okay, mine is actually not working, so I just wanted to show you guys how to fix it. And make sure when you put it on your glass or your cap, you have a very firm tight on it. To prevent any leakages and any misfortune to your blender motor, you have to tie the base very hard so that you have a very firm base. Okay, try it and see and thank me later. This is Ambitech GH. Follow for more tutorial.